I just finished reading the first book of 2025 and oh boy, it's so good. Let's talk about Dark Notes by Pam Godwin. It is a dark romance that falls under forbidden romance and age gap romance, so if you're not into those kinds of books, just skip this. I like this book so much because it also falls under the book trope of found family and a protective and touch her and you'll die type of male character. The first 67% of the book is so good I cannot put it down. But I feel like the rest of the series felt flat for me. Not that it is not good, it is, but I feel like it fast tracked so much that I did not feel that the female character developed and accepted her fate that easily. Or to simply put it, I did not agree with her decision, but again, I fully understand it. I love the female character so much that I feel like she wasn't the focus of the whole book. I want more of her thoughts, her deep thoughts, and what makes her decide that crucial moment after all the hardship that she endured. However, though I don't necessarily agree with her, I still love it. I still give this book a 4 star. It is an easy read, it is a page turner book, and you'll love this if you're into this kind of genre. But if you don't, just don't go read it and ruin it for the rest of us. I'll be putting down the book tropes and trigger warnings on the screen. It is a good book, so read it.